Okay, so I'm in the workshop again, doing a little bit of work on this Villiers engine bike. It's a Villiers 1H 225cc 2-stroke, and the purpose of today is I just want to do a kind of demonstration how to do a compression test. I'm on a few Facebook groups and seems to be a bit of confusion about doing compression tests and what the compression should be. Now obviously the compression you should be getting is dependent on what the compression ratio is. On this particular engine it's 7.5 to 1. Now atmospheric pressure is 14.7 psi at sea level, so you multiply 14.7 by the compression ratio, which is 7.5, which gives you near enough, makes no difference, 110 psi. Now you're never going to get 110 psi because it depends how good the bore is and the piston rings are and everything else, and you're always going to get some leakage in the cylinder. So I've been having a few problems trying to get this started, and I've had it rebored. I've had a rebore, and it's got new pistons and rings in, and I'm just double checking the compression on it because it is being a bit, it'll not start, and it's a bit of a mystery at the moment. So I'm just checking what the compression is going to be, and we're looking for anything over 70 psi. I know it should be 110 to be perfect, but it's never going to be perfect because you've got the transfer ports, you've got it's been rebored, so it's not bedded in. The compression will get higher as the rings bed into the bore, and you've got the gaps in the rings. You're never going to get a perfect seal. So we're looking for anything around about 70 over, and we should be good to go. Anything lower than 50 and we've got a problem. So the way to do a compression test is you obviously have to have a pressure gauge. You screw the end of the pressure gauge into the spark plug hole, connect it up, make sure it's set at 0. There's a little plunge on the side of this, lets all the pressure out. So then to test it, what you need to do is open the throttle. Can't see it on here. You need to open the twist grip. You need to make sure it's open, because if you have it shut, you're shutting off the air that gets into the carburetor, so you're going to get a false reading. So you need to open up the throttle. So open up the throttle. One kick, nearly then, 2 kicks, 3 kicks, 70, just over 75, just over 75 psi. You shouldn't have to kick it more than 2 or 3 kicks, just to get some air in the cylinder, kick it over. We're looking at 75 psi. The most you're going to get is about 100, so that's good. Anything less than 50 you're going to be struggling, so I'm quite confident that that's okay.